Luto na po ta guys. For midnight snack. Nga, reklamo ta nga. Anong di ta mamayat. For our midnight snack for today, subutan ngayon siya milk, butter, cheese, and cheese. 2 types of cheese and 1 truffle. So cook it until it becomes softened. And then, ang kalayo. Murang nagdaob. And then, kalayo ni mo cooperate guys. Siya mo cooperate sa supposed to be soft or hanay lang siya. Hindi siya. We don't know what's at Ano yung result guys? Tanga to siya gamay milk. Ready to serve. Charan! Get only 1 calorie only. Oh, sana siya?